It's a training session with fake guns.
Okay, there's more work to be done here.
Actors.
Calling for backup, an ambulance.
And journalists acting as police officers.
Red, end scenario.
But the pressure of such a high-intensity situation feels very real.
Okay, breathe, relax. Just stand over here, gang.
At the Vancouver Police Department's Tactical Training Center, the idea is to share how quickly situations can escalate and how officers are trained to deal with them.
It's pretty heavy. Here we go. Okay, you went in first. Coming in. Hi, police.
The force invited the media to try out the different tools officers use on the beat, like a taser.
Hold it right there on her.
Yeah.
And you squeeze that trigger nice and slowly. She's just acting, she's not really feeling anything.
Again, it wasn't real, but
So you can see.
Terrible.
reporters were also tasked with how to deal with someone resisting arrest, though none of us could figure it out. Now that most people can record an interaction with police officers on their cell phones, officers are under much closer scrutiny.
You might be surprised that force is used probably less than 1% of the time. But that's the stuff that usually gets talked about, that's the stuff that's not always pretty, and that's the stuff that is sometimes controversial.
But police say cell phone video rarely shows the full story.
And we encourage people to film, we have no problem with that, but as long as they're doing it from a safe distance.
And they train their officers to act in a way that is reasonable in the eye of the law and the court of public opinion.
Perform in an area where you'd be proud to be seen on TV the next day, and your children, your family, your spouse, your partners would say, hey, good job, nice work.
The force is focusing on less lethal options and training for when someone is in crisis. The majority of their calls are at the Granville Entertainment District or the downtown east side, and many of the calls are related to mental health.
Whether it's someone getting stabbed, whether it's threatening, whether it's someone in a suicidal mindset, mentally health issues, they were going to calls with knives every day.
Situations can change quickly. Decisions need to be made in seconds, which is why the right training is so important. Tina Lovegreen, CBC News, Vancouver.